It would be a great service to mankind if you had a G Livelab in every city around the world.
My name is Anna-Maija and I'm the CEO of G Livelab Tampere. I've been involved with this project from the very beginning, nearly 3 years now. This building is owned by the city, and the city had a competition of ideas of the new use of this building. As Musicians Union has started G Livelab in Helsinki, they wanted to find out if this was the concept that city wanted to have also here in Tampere. And that's how it was, and that's why we are here now. So this has been a joint project together with City of Tampere and Musicians Union.
Genelec was tried and tested with the first G Livelab project in Helsinki, and it has got great reviews. So people have really liked the sound and the clarity of studio monitors in club environments, so it was obvious that we wanted to do this club with Genelec as well. So this is a fully networked loudspeaker system. It gives us great many possibilities regarding sound in many aspects. We are able to do virtual acoustics. We are able to use the same loudspeakers as delays, part of the virtual acoustic systems or anything like that. So we're able to make art with the loudspeakers. Any loudspeaker can take any signal, so we are not limited in any way regarding that.
You know, some of the best shows I've ever seen and some of the best music I've ever heard has been live. But a lot of the time, because of the technical problems or if there's not proper acoustic treatment, you are going to be lacking things that you've heard on the recordings, but then you go to see your favorite artist play live and it's not there. Sometimes it's actually the venue that is lacking in terms of acoustics or the sound system sucks or whatever. In that respect, I highly regard the G Livelab experience as the ultimate thing, because you can actually hear live music and it will most likely sound better than it did on the record.
This venue, this project, G Livelab Tampere, has been created together with Genelec, Acoucon, Casa Grande Laboratory and Bright, and they all have had their own extremely important role. Acoucon made a very good planning regarding acoustics. They are the leading company, acoustics company in Finland, and I think the result is fantastic.
Our company was in the design role in G Livelab Helsinki and Tampere. We did the functionality design with the architects and the naturally sound, AV, lighting, rigging design. We also did the electroacoustical design. Genelec's and my work would be nothing if we wouldn't have such a wonderful contractor, Bright Finland, on this project. I mean, they were finishing what we had as a vision. They were actually doing the final design.
In this place, obviously we have the 4430s, which are network loudspeakers. We use Dante in all the loudspeakers, the large ones, the smaller ones, 360s. It helps us a lot, and I would say that it helps lots of installations. The quality and the loudness of 4430 regarding that it's driven with PoE was really surprising for us. We thought that it wouldn't be possible to do a speaker of that size and probably one size bigger with PoE, so that surprised us a lot. It was really great to have Genelec people's help regarding the installation and the possibility to discuss all the details and possible new things and all that during the installation, so we're really thankful for Genelec.
The fact that Musicians Union in Finland is doing something like this is, you know, a great service to musicians. Everything is sonically and acoustically speaking perfect here.
G Livelab is not only techniques, or it's not only about the programming, it's about whole full experience of enjoying music.